Go by DV8 Bravo Victor Kilo for BVK Outdoors. Today we're opening the Pixie QRP 7 MHz CW kit I've just got from an online store. We'll take a look at all the components inside. First, na ato ang PCB ug mao ni ato ang base ato ang build. Naadiri ang mga capacitors o resistors. Gagmay pero importante kayo for the circuit. We've got also the BNC connector for the antenna, ang variable resistor for tuning, and the 3.5mm socket for the key and headphones. Complete to pod kay na buzzer, DC jack o acrylic case with its small parts. Here are the other components, including ng inductors, mga transistors, ug ang LED for scent indicator. And of course, ang LM386 audio amplifier chip ug ang 7.023 MHz crystal oscillator, which is the heart of this tiny CW transceiver. Ready na para build. So watch out for the next reel. Magsugod tag soldering sa components. So this is DV8 BVK. See you on the next one, and 73.